Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Twilio CLI for WhatsApp notifications setup step by step clearly. Install Node.js on your computer if you haven't already. Visit the official Node.js website and choose the installer for your operating system. Run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once Node.js is installed, open your command line interface. Check the installation by typing Node v and pressing enter. This command will display the version of Node.js installed on your system. Next, install the Twilio CLI by entering the command npm install g Twilio CLI. Press enter and wait for the installation to complete. After the installation, verify it by typing Twilio version in the command line. This should display the version of Twilio CLI you've installed. Now, you'll need to configure the Twilio CLI. Type Twilio login in your command line and hit enter. It will prompt you for your account SID and auth token. You can find these in your Twilio dashboard. Copy and paste your account SID and auth token when prompted. Once logged in, proceed to set up WhatsApp. In your Twilio console, navigate to the messaging section. Select Try It Out and then WhatsApp. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a WhatsApp sandbox. Twilio will provide a phone number for your sandbox. In your command line, type Twilio API core messages create to send a test message. Include your sandbox number, a recipient number, and a message body in the command. Make sure to format the command correctly, using quotes where necessary. Press enter to send the message. Once the message is sent, check your WhatsApp to confirm receipt. You have successfully set up Twilio CLI for WhatsApp notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.